Ndewono. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today our lesson for today is household objects in Igbo language. So guys, we'll dive right into it. The first one I have on my list is pots. Pot in Igbo is ite. Pot, ite. Spoon, ngaji. Spoon, ngaji. Spoon, ngaji. Cup, iko. Cup, iko. Cup, iko. Plate, efere. Plate, efere. Plate, efere. Cloth, aqua. Cloth, aqua. Cloth, aqua.
So guys, for clarification's sake, I just want you to know that aqua is for any type of fabric. Your scarf, your dress, your top, your robe, your trouser, your cardigans, your sweater, your jackets. Aqua is just any kind of type of fabric. So aqua.
Bed, aqua. Bed, aqua. Bed, aqua. Good. Bed sheets. Bed sheets is aqua. Nsachi, aqua. Remember I told you aqua is cloth, fabric, aqua. Now nsachi is to cover, then aqua is the bed, the mattress. So aqua, cloth, nsachi to cover, aqua, bed. Aqua, nsachi, aqua. That is bed sheets. Igbo is sweet, Abi. I know, very, very sweet. Knife, mma. Knife, mma. Bag, akpa. Bag, akpa. Bag, akpa. Box, akpati. Box, akpati. Chair, oche. Chair, oche. Soap, ncha. Soap, ncha. Soap, ncha. Whether it's your bathing soap or your washing soap, soap is ncha. Sponge, obo. Sponge, obo. Sponge, obo. Toilet, ulo mposhi. Ulo mposhi. So mposhi is poo, like when you go to poo. So ulo mposhi is the house of poo. Then the house itself is ulo. Ulo. House is ulo. Now, the ulo mposhi is now the small room in the house where you do your business. Shoe, akpụkpọ. Shoe, akpụkpọ. Shoe, akpụkpọ. Your hat is okpu. Hat is okpu. Hat is okpu. Umbrella, nchemmiri. Umbrella, nchemmiri. Broom, aziza. Broom, aziza. Basket, nkata. Basket, nkata. Igwe, bicycle. Igwe, bicycle. Igwe, bicycle. Igwe. Curtain, curtain. Akwa mgbochi. Curtain, curtain. Akwa mgbochi. Table, table. Table, table, table. Let's continue. Scarf, ichafu. Scarf, ichafu. Scarf, ichafu. Good. Photo, photo. Photo, photo. Photo, photo. Bicycle. Television, ihe nkiri onyonyo. Or you can just say onyonyo. Ihe nkiri onyonyo, literally meaning what you watch, like what you watch. Ihe nkiri onyonyo. But for the short form of it, just say onyonyo. That is television. Lights, oku. Lights, oku. Fire. Okay, this is not like a household object, but fire is oku. Fire is oku. Water is mmiri. Water is mmiri. fire is oku. And when you put your water in a cup, it's called iko mmiri. Remember, iko is cup, then mmiri is water. So water into the cup is now iko mmiri. Good. Well done, guys. That's very good so far. I think I have a few left. I can't remember everything, but I have a few I have written down. Radio. Akpati oku. So akpati is a box, right? Oku is to talk. So this box talks. So it's akpati oku. That's all the radio does. So it's akpati oku. So descriptive. Igbo language is so descriptive in so many things. Cupboard. Television. Phone, like house phones, telephone is ekwenti. Telephone is ekwenti. So for like house phone, you can say ekwenti ulo. So that's like house phone. Outside the house, you see sand. Sand is aja. Stone is okute. So these are what you see like outside the house. And outside the house, you see cars that you're parked, and your cars are uwala. Just like we said, bicycle is igwe, your cars are uwo ala. Bucket. Paka, mpo, to equal something. Mpo. Door is uzo. Don't mistake. So I just want you guys to know that road is also uzo and door is also uzo. So if you hear door as uzo and you hear road as uzo, they have the same names, but it's not the same thing. They both use the same name. So door, uzo. Heater, ntu oku. Heater, ntu oku. Ihe na atu oku. Air condition, ntu oyi. So oku is hot, oyi is cold. So heater, ntu oku, and AC, air condition, ntu oyi. Lamp. Oriona.
Key, igodo. Key. Yeah, so mat, ute. Pestle, akodo. The pestle you use to pound things in the kitchen. For instance, pepper. To pound pepper. Ikwe, mortar. Mortar is ikwe. Mortar, ikwe. Fridge, igbe oyi. Mirror, enyo.
I'm probably missing out a lot of things. I don't know, I can't remember. But guys, if you think about anyone that you know that I missed, just write it down in the comment section and I'll tell you the meaning in Igbo. If I'm able to compile another list of at least 20 things, then I can do another video. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video for today. Please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. So I am not against people giving a thumbs down, but if you give a thumbs down, let me know why you give a thumbs down so that I can improve in my next video. So thank you very much, guys, and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.